A small gray cat named Whiskers sat outside the popcorn stand, smelling the buttery air. Whiskers adored popcorn, but alas, she had no money to buy it. She looked around and noticed a pigeon pecking at crumbs near the stand. "Excuse me, friend," said Whiskers, "can you distract the vendor for me?" The pigeon cooed in agreement and flapped its wings wildly near the vendor's head. As the vendor shooed the bird away, Whiskers leaped onto the counter. Her paw reached for a small bag of popcorn, but the vendor turned back too quickly. "Shoo, cat!" he barked, waving his hands at her, but Whiskers was undeterred. That night, Whiskers charmed a kind child into sharing their bag of popcorn. As she crunched the salty kernels, Whiskers purred, her cleverness rewarded.